I'm Tina Tyas-Shaw. Ben has the evening off. Thank you for joining us. We began tonight with a bombshell of accusations of racial discrimination and civil rights violations in a new federal lawsuit against the Effingham County School District.
As a parent of a black child, there are rules that are put in place, and we're just supposed to play by their rules. If the rules are unlawful, if they're not right, or if they're just flat out wrong.
The lawsuit claims a history of racial incidents involving students and staff dating back years. And WSAV News 3's Edward Moody is joining us right now with our top story. Edward.
Well, Tina, this lawsuit filed by two parents on behalf of their students echoes claims News 3 has reported on in years past. The plaintiffs say it's time for someone to actually do something about what they call rampant racism in the district.
It's just incident after incident after incident after incident.
Effingham County school parent Lakeisha Hamilton says she knew it was time to take the district to court after she found out about an incident in the baseball locker room involving white team members and a racial slur.
I hate the N-word was written on the locker. The baseball coach had found it. He reported it to administration.
Hamilton, whose son is on the baseball team, says it happened before Thanksgiving break, but she and other parents didn't find out about it until December 6th.
I was livid. I said, well, how do you expect me for me to feel that my son is safe in a school with 2,600 kids when something like this can happen in a locker room where only 20 to 30 kids have access?
The alleged locker room incident is one of several racially charged incidents listed in the lawsuit, including a noose allegedly hung in the football locker room, white students caught on camera in a classroom mocking the death of George Floyd, and a white student wearing a Hitler costume during Spirit Week in September after getting permission from a teacher.
In total disregard for the feelings of black and especially Jewish students. And there was no consequence to be had because like I said, he had been given prior approval to do it.
Hamilton also cites differences in how students are disciplined under the dress code, recalling an incident News 3 covered in 2020 when a black student was kicked out of a sporting event for wearing a Black Lives Matter shirt, but a white student wearing a shirt with profanity on it was allowed to stay.
There's still Confederate flags in the school, from my understanding. In the trophy case, there's a Confederate flag etched in a stone on the marble that bears the name of the school. Kids still wear Confederate attire.
In a statement, Effingham School Superintendent Dr. Yancey Ford says neither he nor any other defendants have been served with the lawsuit at this time. He goes on to say, quote, "Once we have been served, a response to the allegations will be filed in accordance with the rules and procedures of the court." In Savannah, Edward Moody. And Hamilton says she and her co-plaintiffs want the U.S. Department of Education to launch a civil rights investigation into the Effingham County School District. We have reached out to them, the State Department of Education, and the Georgia Attorney General's office about the lawsuit and its allegations. They all said they have no comment at this time. Edward Moody, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Edward, thank you.